Hi guys, this is Blurry and you probably know me from TikTok. I post some of my art tutorials and some process videos of my art there. So today I am planning to make a remake slash a detailed tutorial on how to draw eyes. So my video got 9.1 million views and I got so happy, so I thought maybe I should do a remake about it since I got a lot of comments like how to draw the other eye, you're going too fast, I can't follow it. So I thought it's a good idea to make a detailed tutorial about it. So let's get right into it. I'm going to use two pencils for this tutorial. For the basic sketching, I'll use an HB pencil. If you do not have an HB pencil, you can just grab any pencil that will do. So we're gonna start with a rectangle like this, then divide the rectangle into 3. By doing this, it will provide a proper spacing between the eyes. Then draw a circle inside the rectangle. Do the same to the other side. Then start drawing horizontal lines, dividing the circles into half. My phone fell. That was so embarrassing. Okay, now back. Draw two curved lines for the eyelids to form a basic eye shape. And then don't forget to do the same to the other one. And then from there, draw your tear duct and your waterline. It doesn't have to be perfect because later on you can erase that and just, correct some mistakes. And you're gonna wanna erase some of the guidelines and make your lines sharper and less messy. You wanna do this carefully, but make sure the lines aren't wobbly. After this, make your pupil and don't forget the other one too. Shade in both of the circles evenly and lightly. Make sure not to push the pencil too hard when shading unless you wanna damage your paper. Then darken the top part and slowly go lighter as you bring it down to create an ombre effect. And if you notice some uneven lines, go ahead and correct them. So now I'm going to use my 4B pencil to darken some of the lines and shadows. So I darkened the pupil and the eyelids and created shadows on the white part of the eye to make it more natural. Now let's start drawing the crease with an HB pencil. And then do your best to mirror it to the other eye. It doesn't really have to be perfect. You can erase it if you find mistakes. And so I went ahead and created some shadows by shading it with a pencil, and I also did this to the other eye, obviously. Then start drawing curved lines as a guide for your lashes, like so. And then I shifted to my 4B pencil to draw the lashes. Oh, and also one quick tip, when doing eyelashes, draw them in kind of like have a direction to the right, to the center, and to the left. This way the lashes will appear to have a dimension and will appear more natural. And also draw long and short lashes, thick ones and long ones too, because lashes do not have the same thickness and height. And then after that, darken the eyelids. And now let's proceed to the iris. Add another layer to darken the iris on its top part. Then start drawing lines toward the pupil. Then shade along the outline of the iris. And then draw lines around the pupil going outward. And also don't forget to repeat the steps to the other eye. Then this time, darken some lines such as the crease in the lower lids of the eyes, like so. After doing these steps, start drawing the lower lashes. Keep them shorter and thinner than the upper ones. Then shade below the lower lash lines. And then I'm gonna take my HB pencil for the eyebrows. But unfortunately my battery ran out and so the video got cut. So I started sketching an eye real quick just to show you how I did the eyebrows. First, extend the curve of the lower lids outward, then draw a line just before the endpoint of the eyelids and a line meeting the tear duct. Then plan the distance between the eyebrows and the crease, then start drawing a slightly slanted line. Then as you meet this line, start changing your direction and bring it down to this line. Extend your eyebrows past this line, then start doing another one to complete the eyebrows. And then just repeat the steps to the other eye too. Done. And then I'm going to use my HB pencil to shade in the eyebrows. Fill in your eyebrows with fast fading strokes in this pattern. And then as you reach this part, this is where you start to change your direction of the hair. And then shade evenly according to pattern. Then repeat the steps to the other eye. Make sure to go lighter as you shade towards the nose line to create a gradient. And repeat the steps again and again as much as you like. And then I'll take my 4B pencil to darken the tip of the eyebrows and add another layer of thicker hair strands to add depth to the eyebrows. And then this is optional. I like to add stray hair or baby hair to the eyebrows. It's completely up to you if you like that. Then I just do the same to the other eyebrow. And done. Nope, not yet. We still need to add in some highlight. Get a narrow eraser. It doesn't necessarily have to be like this. You can use the tip of your eraser, your mechanical pencil's eraser, or an eraser from a pencil. But in my case, I'm gonna use this. So erase and voila. Just get a pencil and shapen it however you like. I'm just gonna go with a rectangle, and then I'm gonna get my mechanical pencil and draw some reflected strands of eyelashes in here. And I'll do the same here. And done. You have your eyes and they're kind of equal. You won't get it at first try, but just practice and you'll get there. Let me just add the heart. That's it, and I hope this helps. Okay, so thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to follow me on my social media accounts. And thank you guys for supporting me like always. And let me know if you want other tutorials. Just suggest them and maybe I can make a video out of it. Thank you. Bye!